Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to see how to insert the image and how to insert the horizontal line. These two programs tutorial we are going to see. Now we know how to insert the images. That is, image src tag is used to insert the images. Now images, they are having the different file formats. Like some are .jpg images, that is Joint Photographic Experts Group, or some are .gif images, those who are having animation in that one, or some are .png images, that is Portable Network Graphics. So these are certain extensions for the images. So with the extensions, first we will search the images and then after that we are going to see the program how the images are inserted. Same way how the horizontal line is inserted in between the images. So that tag also we are going to learn today. Now see, on the desktop there is a images folder. So if you see here, there are variety of images which are given in this one. Now if you view the images, then you can see all the images, they are having the extension .jpeg, that is file type is jpg. So we are going to take 2 or 3 images from this, and that how these images are inserted within the web browser, that we will see. Now to get the images path, the path is very important with the file name and extension. So easiest method I will tell you, suppose this image location I want to take. So I will right click on the image. There is open with option and next one is Internet Explorer. So as I open this image with Internet Explorer, this complete path or location you have to copy. You can right click, copy, and wherever you are typing the code, there you can paste. So this is the easiest method to note down the location or path of the image. Another way is also there. You have to right click on this, go to the properties. In the properties, this is called as the location of the image. So this location first you have to type. Then you have to put backslash as a separator. This is the image name and .jpg is the extension. That means you have to take it separately. But if you open it directly with the Internet Explorer, so it will open directly and you can copy the path in your notepad file. Now see how the code is written. So first I will write the notepad over here. We will start with the coding. As you know, always HTML program starts with the doc type HTML, then followed by the HTML head, title and giving as images, slash title, slash head. Then after that put body. If you want to give the nice background, so you can give the nice background. So background color will be yellow. I will complete the bracket. Now the first tag, that is image src is equal to. So you can insert the first image. To insert the image, first we require the path of the image. So I am minimizing this. Suppose this image I want to take first. So right click, same way open with Internet Explorer. As you open the image with Internet Explorer, this path you have to just click and copy. Then come back to your notepad file and right click, paste. So this is a complete path with the folder name, file name and extension you will get. Then complete the double quotation mark. After that, write down the height of the image. If the image is horizontal, so you will write width more instead of height. If the image is vertical, you can write the height more. So here title means the description for the images. Now many of the website, when you search, then if the images are inserted related to palace, and when we move the mouse pointer on the image, so we can get the name of the palace, which is called as the alternate text. So like that, if you want to insert the alternate text, so here you can use the title attribute, and here whichever image is there, that name you can insert within the title. So now this is my first image which I have inserted, and I am giving BR because I want the next image on the new line. Then I want the image in the centered align, so I am giving the center tag. Again I will insert image SRC. Now the second image we will take, this image is over. Second image which you want, now vertical image we will select. So here open with, again Internet Explorer is not there, so that we will take, come down. So here it is Internet Explorer, okay. So now image is inserted, just right click same way, copy, minimize this, come back to your notepad file and paste it. So this path you have got. Then now this image is vertical, so I am giving height more and width less. Okay, so title, what is the description for the image? That is, here you can give the title as the nature image, like that, and then put PR. After that you have to close the center tag. Now the third image I want to align to the right hand side, so I will give P align is equal to right to address the image to the right hand side. Again I will put image SRC tag. After image SRC, now whichever image you want, that image you take. Suppose this image I want, so open with Internet Explorer. The image will get open with Internet Explorer. Right click, copy, go back to your notepad, right click, paste. Again height is equal to 300. Now image is horizontal, so I am giving width more, and title as, again, nature. One more attribute I will put. If you want to put border for the image, so you will use the attribute border is equal to 5. Now after this you have to close it with /p /body and /html. Now students, we have seen 3 images are inserted in the program. Okay. After this you have to save the program with the name image.html in all files and save. So minimize this. You can see the program is saved on the desktop. Now right click on this image, open with Internet Explorer. So now this is the output which you have got. So this is called as the border. Now I am moving the mouse pointer on this. So here whatever you have got, that is nature image, is the description. If I move here, I will not get any description or alternate text. But when I move on the image, there I will get the nature image as a descriptive part. So these are the 3 images which are aligned to the left, center and the right side. Now after this, how you will insert the horizontal line. Now suppose after first image I want to insert the horizontal line. So how to insert? The HR tag is used to insert the horizontal line. Remember, this is a singular tag. HR is not having any closing tag. Now the width of the web browser is always 100%. So I am giving width is equal to 100%. Suppose color of the horizontal line you require as blue. So I am giving the color, that is color of the horizontal line. And size attribute defines or specifies the thickness of your horizontal line. Suppose the thickness I am giving as 5. So this is the thickness, and then again I will put BR. So if you see, I am saving this one because some changes I have done, and when I go to the Internet Explorer, I will just click on refresh. So if you see here, a blue color horizontal line with thickness 5 is inserted throughout the browser. As the width is 100%, so it is inserted throughout the browser. Suppose one more horizontal line I want to put here. So now what to do? So after this center, slash center. Again put HR, width is equal to 100%. Now color I will change to red and size I will give as 6. Little bit increased size I will give. Then save this one and go here and again just click on refresh. So now see. So these are the horizontal line. Horizontal lines you can insert horizontally only. Okay, so these are the horizontal line. How they are inserted we have seen. This is the title. As I move on the image, I will get the description as a nature image. Here nature, and here also I will get the nature. So this is how to insert the image and how to insert the horizontal line tutorial.